To make these really easy vegan snack bars, I'm starting with a packet of cashew nuts. You need to take out about a tablespoon, set those aside for the topping, then tip the rest into a food processor and whiz until finely chopped. Next, I'm going to add some puffed oats, and they're whole grain and a good source of fibre, and they've got no added salt. I'm going to add 3 bananas, and the bananas are going to add all the sweetness to this recipe. We're not going to be adding in any other sugar. We need a tablespoon of cacao, and for a full list of the ingredients, just click on the link. Half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then just give that a good mix. Now that's well blended, I'm going to add some cacao nibs, and they've got a lovely texture. And just pulse those in so they don't get too finely chopped. Just tip in the mixture, then level off the surface with the back of a spatula. We're just going to chop the cashew nuts that we reserved. You want them quite fine for this. And then just scatter them over the surface, along with a few more cacao nibs. Now bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's golden brown and firm, and then leave to cool and cut into bars to serve. And for more vegan recipes, don't forget to click to subscribe.